Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn about a new business idea that brings good profit with regular uses in the processed food sector. Before going into the topic, if anyone has not subscribed to our channel so far, subscribe now. If we go into the details, the most used root worldwide is the vegetable potato, that is our potato. Our favorite aloo is eaten by everyone. Potato is used as the main ingredient in many processed foods. Also, industries that make bakery and processed food purchases more. In that, potato is mostly made into potato starch powder and is mostly used in the preparation of food products. There is a huge demand for this potato starch in the market. So, let's learn about potato starch powder making business in this video. Friends, potato starch powder is used as a thickening agent, especially in the preparation of canned soups. Since potato starch is gluten-free, it is also used as an alternative to wheat flour, which we use regularly. It is especially used in baking recipes and frying recipes. Potato starch is used in the preparation of noodles, soups, sauce, as well as in the potato chips making process, and is also used in the preparation of bakery creams and to make many sauce thick. In the bakery sector, it is used as a raw material in the preparation of sponge cake, in the preparation of wine gums, and in the preparation of bread. Let's see the details of raw material and machinery required for potato starch manufacturing business. Friends, firstly, when it comes to the raw material required for this business, good quality potatoes. You can purchase these from the farmers, or you can also purchase them from the wholesale market near you. When it comes to the machinery required for this business, potato washer, potato peeler, rotary grater, potato pulp making machine, starch extraction machine, and packaging machine. All these are available as a set as a semi-automatic potato starch making machine on indiamart.com. The set cost of these machines starts from 9,50,000 rupees. There are ups and downs in price depending on the features. If you start with manual machines, the cost of the machine will be reduced. Labor cost increases. When it comes to the potato starch powder making process, first the potatoes are washed in a potato washer. Then they are crushed with the help of the crushing machine. The semi-liquid mixture obtained after crushing is subjected to a dehydrate process. And then the potato starch is ready. This ready starch should be packed in 1 kg, 5 kg and 10 kg and sold. Now let's know the details of investment, income and expenses. You have to start this business small. Take a 1,000 square feet shed for rent purpose and appoint 3 skilled workers. Potato starch making business can be started with 11 lakh rupees. Friends, to make 1 kg of good quality starch is cost around 30 rupees including all expenses. It can be sold for 110 rupees in wholesale and it can be sold for 300 rupees in retail and online market. Even if you do a minimum production of 100 kg daily with the help of this machine, you will have a daily profit of around 7,000 rupees. Now let's talk about the marketing. This potato starch is purchased in large quantities by those who makes instant soup powders, sauce and sponge cakes. Also hotels, restaurants, bakeries also purchase more. If you register in grocery sales apps like Big Basket, Flipkart, Amazon, JioMart, you will get orders from there too. If you register on indiamart.com, more orders will come from there. This potato starch is widely used in foreign countries. You can also export this product. That's it friends. Details about potato starch making business. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this business. Subscribe our channel for more such videos. Bye friends. Until we come back to you with another brand new video.